another video. This is part 3 of our videos, and we are doing this awesome dirt bike. We're not going to just show off the prettiness of our dirt bike. We're actually going to show you how to do some stuff to your bike and upgrade it a little bit.
Yeah, but it's going to be one thing.
It's just going to be one thing, and you'll need this water bottle. I've already used it for other things. And you can also put your water bottle right there, which is also cool. You can put your water bottle right there.
You can put it in the front or the back.
You can put this in front or back, that's right. And you just put it in here, it's easy. And then
yeah, but you might have to fold it
yeah. If you want to, you can
fold it.
If you want to, you can fold it, but you don't have to. That just makes more noise.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll stay in a little bit.
Hold on. You can add more detail to it, like a can or something, a Sprite can. Okay, good.
I can't move it. Very good. Put it the other way. So if you have it, if you're doing it right now, just put it in the other way because it's kind of hard to move because that will hang you. If you want to actually cut this off, because that'll just leave you with the water bottle. I can get this in.
Try to put it in the back.
Okay, so we're going to try to put it in the back because I always usually do it this way, but I'm going to try to put it in the back this time. No. It smells really loud. Turn down your, if you're asleep or something, you watch videos when you're asleep. Don't apologize to your mom or who you ever sleep with. If you don't sleep with somebody, that's alright. And then I can put it in right there. So
that will fall out, Logan. You have to fold it. Logan, fold it.
no, look, he's doing it for a minute. Let me pick it up. So all you want to do is put it right here.
See if it'll come out. Yeah, it won't. So it sounds like a real motorcycle. You want to? It came out. So that will be the end of the video. Bye.